Good afternoon, everybody. We're talking about BIIB, which is a biotech stock. And one of the examples that we're going to show you is that BIIB was anticipating a higher net revenue that was going to come in on their Alzheimer's drug. Well, that's not going to happen. It's not going to be 18%. It's going to be 7 to 8%. So as that news came out, analysts and ratings and whatnot, people were hung up here. We had a super gap, and then from $480 on March 20th, we have come down considerably. Now I'm going to show this part of the chart, which was on April 6th, and that low was 408 right here. So bear with me. I'm going to go to another part of the chart. And I just want everyone to see the gap that we had on BIIB, and that gap looks exactly like this. And why is it that we continue and will continue to buy BIIB on a daily level? And why is it that we had rallied up for 5 days when we had that big gap down? And I'm just going to tell people, you want to learn how to short the news? You want to learn how to short the gap up, open, down? You want to learn how to do that? Well, then certainly you can see it right here. You also can see it from here. You can see where we're consolidating here within the 5-day cycle range, which would be this bar, and we're down here at this support level right now on BIIB. This is the top in resistance, that's the low. This is a rectangular consolidation with the 20-day moving average going down, that's the red line. And so we just want people to be aware that the blue line here is the 10-day simple moving average on a chart. We're going to continue to buy this and the option trades in our option pit. We do have a pit. We do have market makers that will give those orders out to you, and it's very important for you to know that you can take advantage and get trading capital in your trading account and trade right along with this. Yearly placement, monthly placement, you will have success. So this is this consolidation right here, and one of two things are going to happen. We know that down here at $305 was a trade right here, there, and basically we can see where that 10-day simple moving average right here was trailing along with this consolidation. This 20-day simple moving average up here is, it's so far away that the big gap down on the news is that we can only really trade the rectangular broader consolidation level. Back over here where my pointer is, this is where we had a rally before the news on BIIB right here. That was the rally that we had. That is the lower end of support right here. You can see where they were selling into the moves and whatnot, and I'm covering this consolidation right here. And either one or two things are going to happen. Either we're going to break out, we would have to gap up above this bar on heavier volume on the buy side, and we would definitely be getting in BIIB. BIIB is a perfect super gap open down that you will be able to trade the daily ranges on BIIB, a bellwether biotech stock that's right here at your very tip of the hands. Join our free trial at stockmarketfunding.com. Free stock trends will be up and running, but here's the thing. Learn how to make money on a daily level and learn where that lower oversold support is in the following. We are taking a look over here on the consolidation one more time. Is that I just want everybody to be clear that the support level right now as of August 14th, which was Friday, and they had a closing at 312.61, but we were hitting the highs at 316.27, and then we were pulling back to 309 on the low of Friday, and then they popped it up and closed it at 312.61. Another thing that people need to understand within this range is back on August 7th, we had a high that was being put in at that time is 317, but then the new higher high came in on August 11th at 319.12. On August 12th, we opened up at 312 and it was 317 on the high, and we had a $10 drop down to 307.50. That was the low, but here's the beautiful thing. It rallied up to 316.73 within the channel ranges that I'm reading off by the date. Now, one of the greatest things to know is on August 13th was that we opened at 316. We went to the high of 319.48 and we dropped to 313.75 and we closed out slightly above the low at 313.91. Now, having said that, there was another opening bell on August 11th again at 319. That's the wall of resistance. And we went straight down $8 to 311. And so we are closed out at 314.85 on August 11th. You can check the dates for yourself. But we are very confident in this trade. Yes, the headline news is out of the way. Yes, we're going to see how Biogen, BIIB, is going to either make a big breakout, or if it breaks down, we're going to buy either or the move. So every time at resistance, we're selling short. Every time at support, we're going long the stock continuously all day, like a market maker does and market makers should do. One of the things I'm going to show you right now is the following. Here we go. One thing about stockmarketfunding.com, you can go to the name, you can go to your email, put your phone number in, and put who the referral was. Okay? So basically, that's what we want to do. Now, we want you to go over here to trading on this homepage. And we want you to click the free trial so that you can get in on these Biogen trades, BIIB, and several more. Click right here. I'm going to show it. Click Get Started. That's all you got to do. Once you do that, you can go to trading, and you can go down to open an account. Once you get to opening an account, you will listen to open an account with us. It's right here. Here's the tab. You can't miss it. Open an account. And get started today. Do that. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to give your account trading capital. And a perfect example is you have a $5,000 account, you're going to have $100,000 intraday. And that way you can trade. And that way you don't have the pattern day trading rule. Just read the page to open an account. If you need trading capital, then you can come to us and we'll give you the trading capital. And not only that, one of the things that we are telling people right now is that the major sector in the biotech, we're going to be updating a lot more, and you're going to find it in here. And it will be on the YouTube channel as well. Here, just remember one thing. All you got to do is click one of these, and you'll find out, like on Intel, I'm just showing. Okay? So, and then you go back to the home page, and you can see all of our analysis before the fact. So we encourage you to take the right step now, and we will teach you about high frequency trading options. Nobody can trade high frequency options, especially the weekly ones that we're setting up a brand new program. Friday only. The day that the weekly expires on Friday and the monthly Friday, one day, and how you could make anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 intraday, because the options will be at the wholesale price. Sign up right now, high frequency options trading courses. We have it for you. We want you to partake. Now, let's go ahead and get back to Biogen. I'm going to conclude the fact that this is on our list to keep trading in those ranges that I gave you. We're starting out Monday. The close was 312.61, had 1,760,000 shares that were traded right here. Right here. So, welcome to what we have. learn how to trade support, learn how to short resistance, learn how to be an active market maker in our market maker school. We are the only one on the internet that has a market making trading division. So you're at the right place.